Unravel the market, master the trade. New to stocks and feel confused? With Maddy, turn that confusion into smart trading. Master with Maddy isn't just a regular trading course. It's a special 3-month journey with Mr. Maddy. He's great at teaching and will help you go from a beginner to a smart trader. In just 3 months, you'll learn a lot and change the way you trade. In this course, you'll learn everything important about the stock market. Introduction to the market, NSE, BSE, MCX, NCDEX. Trading markets type, cash market, futures market, options market. Introduction to technical analysis, basics to technical analysis, importance of TA, formation of candlesticks, candlestick patterns, trend analysis, how to identify support and resistance, technical indicators and oscillators, how to choose stock checklist, framework of time frame, trading checklist, how to check accuracy, 3 strategies, candlestick trading strategy, trend trading strategy, Maddy's multimillionaire trading strategy. Mr. Maddy will teach you how to understand the market and make good decisions. You'll gain real skills and feel confident. Each week for 3 months, you'll learn more and get better at trading. Ready to get really good at trading stocks? Start with Master with Maddy.